Why are experts concerned about governance rebuilding in Sudan? Fragile states like Sudan face shattered government systems, ongoing conflicts, and weak institutions. Without stable governance, public services collapse and violence can escalate. Experts worry because these conditions create a ticking time bomb, where attempts to rebuild can either fail or worsen instability. The fragile nature means any progress is easily undone by internal power struggles or external pressures. Sudan has faced multiple military coups and violent clashes in recent years. The transitional government collapsed, leaving a power vacuum. This chaos disrupts efforts to rebuild institutions, deliver services, and hold fair elections. Experts warn that without a clear, inclusive political process, Sudan could spiral into prolonged conflict, humanitarian crises, and regional instability. The concern goes beyond Sudan itself. Fragile states often border other vulnerable countries, so instability quickly spreads. Refugee flows overwhelm neighboring nations, while armed groups exploit chaos to expand. Economically, disrupted trade and aid reduce growth prospects. Experts stress that weak governance here threatens international security and development goals. The timing raises red flags. Global challenges like the COVID-19 pandemic, rising food insecurity, and geopolitical tensions strain fragile states' resources. Political upheavals in Sudan and similar countries mean windows for reform are closing fast. Experts fear missing this critical moment will lock these nations into cycles of violence and poverty. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.